Hello, I am Vandana Kale, Assistant Professor in Instrumentation Engineering Department of AISSMS Institute of Information Technology, Pune. In this session, we are going to see virtual lab experiment on verification of the truth table of JK flip-flop using NAND and NOR gates. For this purpose, I am going to use the Digital Electronics Virtual Lab under discipline of Electrical Engineering, and it is developed at IIT Bombay. In my previous session, we have seen how to go on the home page of this experiment. Here we can see the link with the help of which we can get the home page of the experiment. So I am going to use this link. So with the help of this link, we can get the home page of the experiment. Here we can see the aim of the experiment is to verify the truth table and timing diagram of RS, JK, T and D flip-flops using NAND and NOR gate ICs and analyze the circuit of RS, JK, T and D type flip-flop with the help of LEDs display. In this session, we will verify the truth table of JK flip-flop only. Now we will move towards the theory part. This is the circuit diagram or a logic diagram of JK flip-flop. Here, two AND gates are used and two NOR gates are used. This logic diagram of JK flip-flop is very much similar to SR flip-flop with few additional things, and those additional things are in JK flip-flop, output Q, it is given as input to this AND gate, and the output Q bar, it is also given as input to this second AND gate. So the AND gates are having three inputs. The JK flip-flop, here it consists of three inputs, that is J, K, clock pulse, and there are two outputs, Q and Q bar. This is the truth table of JK flip-flop. Again, if we look at the truth table of the JK flip-flop, it is very similar to the SR flip-flop with the difference in one of the states that we will see. So here in the truth table of the JK flip-flop, inputs are J and K, and another input is the trigger input, that is clock signal, and the output is Q and its complement Q bar. Along with the present state, the next state output is also mentioned, and the inference, which is the state of the flip-flop, that is mentioned in the last column. So if clock is not applied, then whatever is the status of J and K inputs, the state of the flip-flop will be latched. The output that will follow to the previous state. Then in the next state, we can see when J and K inputs are 0, 0, and clock pulse is applied, at that time output Q, it will follow to its previous state. So here we can see output is, in the present state output is Q, in the next state it is having the same value, and in the present state if the output is 1, the same will follow in the next state. So there will be no change in the output state. The output will hold. The output will carry its earlier value. If input J is 0 and K is 1, and on the application of the clock pulse, output Q, it will become 0. Whatever is the state, whatever is the present state, in the next state the output will become 0. So here we can see, in the present state if output Q is 0, in the next state it will be 0, and in the present state if the output Q is 1, in the next state it will become 0. Means whatever is the state of output in the present state, whether it is 0 or 1, in the next state output will become 0. So it is the reset state. In the next states of the inputs, when J is 1 and K is 0 and clock pulse is applied, at that time in the next state output is becoming 1. Whatever is the state of the output in the present state, it will not matter. The output, it will become 1 in the next state, and it is called as set state of the flip-flop. In the last state, when J is 1 and K is 1 and clock signal is applied, at this time output in the next state, it will toggle. That means in the present state, if output is having value 0, in the next state it will become 1, or in the present state if the output is having value 1, in the next state it will become 0. It means output is toggling. So the last state is toggle state of the JK flip-flop. So if we compare the truth table of JK flip-flop and SR flip-flop, then the first 3 states, that is no change state, reset state and set state, these 3 states are same as that of SR flip-flop, but the difference is only in the 4th state. In the 4th state, the SR flip-flop was forbidden, but here the 4th state of the JK flip-flop is toggle. So this is about the circuit diagram and truth table of the JK flip-flop. Now we will move towards the simulation. In the simulation, we will select JK flip-flop. This is the circuit diagram of JK flip-flop. To this circuit, supply is given with the help of this switch. Plus 5 volt supply is given to the circuit. Its inputs are J, K and clock signal, and outputs are Q and Q bar. So initially we will give supply of 5 volt to the IC, and initially J is 0, K is 0, and we have not given any clock signal. Such state we will add in the truth table. So this is the first state. When we have not given clock, it means clock is 0, J is 0 and K is 0. At that time, output Q, it will be 0, or there will be no change in its output state. So as output Q is 0, its complement Q bar will be 1. So here we can see the LED corresponding to Q bar, it is glowing. Now J is 0 and K is 0. and we will apply the clock. We have given here clock. This state we will add in the truth table. So in the second row, we can see J is 0, K is 0, and clock pulse is applied. At that time, output Q, it is following to its previous value, that is 0, and Q bar is 1. And the state of the flip-flop is no change or in the hold state, means output Q is holding to the previous value. Next, we will apply input J as 0 and K as 1. K is 1, and we will apply the clock pulse. In the third row, we can see J is 0, K is 1, and we have given the clock. As J is 0 and K is 1, it is the reset state of the flip-flop. So output Q is 0, Q bar is 1, and it is the reset state. Waveforms of J, K, and clock and the outputs we can see here in the clock diagram. Now we will apply the next input in which J is 1, K is 0, and we will apply the clock. I will add this. So when J is 1, K is 0, and clock is applied, at that time Q will become 1, and it is the set state of the flip-flop. So here LED 2 corresponding to Q, it glows, and Q bar LED is off. In the next state, we will make J1, input K as 1, and we will apply the clock. So here J is 1, K is 1, and we have applied the clock. So when J is 1 and K is 1 and clock is applied, this is the toggle state. So in toggle state, what happens? Output Q, it will be the complement of its previous state. So in the previous state, that is, if we look at the fourth row, Q is having value 1. Now it is becoming 0. So it is the toggling state. The waveforms corresponding to the inputs and outputs we can check here in the clock diagram, which is also called as timing diagram. So this is all about the verification of truth table of JK flip-flop and its clock diagram. Thank you.